Hello everyone, I am Lahari and our team comprises of Pooja, Rakesh, Dinesh, Adesh and Mallikarjun from BV Raju Institute of Technology ECE department. Firstly, I would like to thank Texas Instruments for providing us a platform to present our ideas and explore many more through Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge 2019. The name of our project is UVTAP.
Health and hygiene are the great source of peace and happiness. These are the primary elements to lead a good life.
But nowadays, most of the people don't pay much attention to their health, eventually resulting in the health issues.
Let us discuss about product differentiation. In the rising competitive standards, product differentiation is a critical prerequisite for a product survival. However, having a clear picture of problem statement along with the proposed solution is a basic building block in converting an idea or a technology into a business. So, if we talk about the differentiating factors of the product, we have to focus on three main parameters, and they are quality, design, and service and interaction. So, initially, starting with the quality, we are providing an ensured quality manufacturing process by checking the product against defined specifications over different environmental conditions and also conducting on site testing. So, moving on to the next differentiating factor is design. Design is something which talks about how the product is different from existing solution. So, we usually come across hand scanners like PathSpot, which scans one's hand to detect pathogens that cause foodborne illness. But our idea, UV Tap, consists of hand scanners inbuilt in a tap, such that when hands are placed under the UV tap, the sensor inside it detects the pathogens present on our hands and make us alert to wash our hands properly. So, for timeliness, instead of installing a separate hand scanner, we can choose this product that does both subsequently. Turning over to the service and interactions. So, we should have a keen observation on the key changes in the market which have increased the importance of differentiation on service. So, we are pursuing a differentiation strategy that incorporates the knowledgeable agents, multi channel communication, and also acceptable speed.
As the foodborne illness is one of the major health concerns these days, everyone thinks to get rid of this problem. Moreover, the impact of foodborne illness has been raised due to unhygienic hands. According to a survey, over 170 million people in India are going to affect by 2030 due to foodborne illness. And in the current day scenario, coronavirus disease known as COVID 19 is an infectious disease which spreads due to human contact. However, many ongoing clinical trials are evaluating potential treatments, but as we have to take the initiatives to keep ourselves clean and hygiene, customers would search for better ways. And our idea, UV Tap, is one among them. Hence, the seizable market for our product will be having a good demand.
While talking about security aspect, this innovation can be protected as well as monitored. Stepping into the security aspect, we use trade market for making the product to be protected because trade market can help us to distinguish our product from the competitor as well as indicate the consistent level of the quality of the product. Another most important thing is monetization. This strategy is clearly linked to the stage of product life cycle. Moreover, we prefer selling exclusive rights as initial strategy to monetize our product. The cost of the product should be responsible and affordable to the people for purchasing it. If the cost of the people is more, then the demand of the product will be less. And if the cost of the product is less, then the product generation scale will be more and the effectiveness of the product decreases. So, keeping this, our product cost should be reliable and should be reasonable based on the component we use in our product. Our UV tap can be created at the reasonable cost and can be developed in a scale and can make available to the people.
Coming to the most important aspect, potential customers of our product. Generally, the customers of our product are from hospitals, industries, baby care centers, and many more. In the fast developing countries like US, many technologies are rising day by day. Rather than completely changing into the new technologies, we should make some changes to the older ones in order to acquire the new ones. To our idea, UV tap, it can be used to detect the pathogens and dirt on our hand. If there is a probability of getting the new technologies in this, we can make some changes such that it can adapt to new technologies easily. In order to make a decision, At first, we ensure to identify the problem that has to be solved and also an alternative work is considered. Later, relevant information is gathered as a reference to view the decision.
Since there are other technologies for the detection of pathogens and bacteria that detect the germs, but our IDEA UV tap consists of sensors that detect the pathogens embedded in the single tap. It requires the single tap and everything can be embedded in that, so it is an easy setup, except the integration of the technologies is a time taking one. There could be a large number of risks which we can encounter while creating the project, and that may include integration issues, hardware and software defects which might cause the project not to complete at the scheduled time. Some technology risks like failure of an underlying service or a platform may also lead to a huge loss. Sometimes working on a cloud service which does not satisfy the performance benchmarks through the halfway of journey is also one of the bottlenecks that we could face.
Coming to the external dependency, availability of the technology plays a key role. According to the technology we use, it is decided whether the product is launched or not and whether the business will go further or not. Along with this, intermediaries like advertising the product comes into the picture.
In order to introduce our product in the market, since it is most useful and demanded product in the recent times, as the people are focusing more on the cleanliness due to the attack of COVID-19. Our product is helpful for both public and private sector. We need the permission from the government to make the product available for the people and also for the working sectors. For the direct reaching of the product to the people, intermediate campaigning about this product should be done such that each and every one will be aware of this. As the product designing is one of the major tasks, on the other hand, the process of reaching our product to the customer is the biggest task. In order to make people to let our product familiar to them, we need to advertise the product in the multimedia. We need to make contract in working sectors such that our product will be known to the major part of the people. In this way, our product can reach the people in an easy and defined manner, and the people can purchase the product.